And just want to share lang ako ang mga grateful for the week is that I'm just happy nung despite sa mga challenges amo ang na-encounter, still kuhaan kay baka na murag amazing kayo kay provide ra gyud ang Ginoo in everything, no, sa financial, emotional, physical. I'm also grateful for being healthy and having this kind of job or career na maka-work anytime I want and anywhere that
Di ka
I
na
also
sa
want to
Thailand,
be.
guys.
So, kana also grateful po ko nga naka-share po ko sa ako ang mga kaila, and I think one of my uh, candidates here is here. So mo nang I'm happy nga naka-share ko aning opportunity to other people. And yeah, grateful for also for this first 2 days of the month kay daghan na pod gyud ang mga tawo nga kanang naka-realize ba unsa gani ka importante ang may insurance, especially nga naanay crisis karon. Maglisod na gid ang mga tao ba og walay insurance. Believe ra na jud believer di na jud kayo inana ka kanang lisod or challenging i-educate ang mga tao kay naka-experience na ang kadaghanan. So, I think that's it for me. Thank you, UM.
Ayun. Thank you, Tiel. Can you also introduce yourself pala, Tiel? Kasi also my adcans are
Ah,
here and minsan naglibog sila kinsa ning James Reid nga naa diri.
by the way, my name is Siltia Rosal. I am the unit manager of Cecily Marie. I'm her first unit manager sa team. I've been in the Sun Life industry for almost 6 years na. Dali araw dahil panahon, no?
Wow.
And I'm happy nga I'm still here. Kay mostly sa ako mga kabatch gyud, kuan na gyud, or gamay na lang gyud minabilin. Just kuan lang gyud, no? Persevere, dream big, and kuan gyud, stay focused and consistent.
Ayun.
Um, I have also 6 advisors and 2 incoming. So, mana siya.
Ayun. Thank you, Tel. And also siya ang usa sa mga people nga naka-start gyud nga wherein ang Sun Life nag-digitalize me. So pandemic na siya nga advisor mo na nga 6 years na siya here. Tapos nag full-time ka, Tiel, just to also give them the idea, you have been full-time. So this is really your only source of, or I mean, I know nga na kay other stuff, pero you really decided to go full-time when ganito?
I decided full-time when during 2022. Kay
Mm.
nagsugod man jud ko og BPO, uh, first na kong job, then ni apply ko as teacher
Mm.
2019 up to 2022. Then pag 2020 nag part-time pa ko ani. So mo to na insert na ko ni ang job just like you guys know na mga part-time siguro diri. Then dako kay ko og kanang risk gid ato og leap of faith ba kay when you go full time kuan jud dapat accountable jud ka sa imong kaugalingon and responsible jud ka sa imong time. So I took that risk, and then no, I also have kuan man sad kanang calculated risk ba nga kanang dapat na jud koy madawat nga income, no, kay naka-build naman sad ko sa akong mga ako ang clients sa akong name sa akong brand. So mao I also realized nga mas dako pa akong part-time nga income kaysa sa full-time nga income. Mo gina siya dako kayo nga impact yun. So mo work ra ko og 3 to 5 hours in a day. Siguro taas na kaya na ang 2 hours na meeting sa client from start to finish. Then kana ako ang income is kato nga time mo almost 4 times ako ang income. So mo nang ni-risk jud ko nga mo full time ani because I believe nga kung daghan kog time diri, then of course mas dako pa gyud ang probability of high income. So nang it's okay nga mag part-time lang sa aron kung mo sa inyong gisudlan. At least just to build your name, build your brand, or magpaila-ila sad sa mga tao. Then that time will come, no? Na maka full time mo, then makahunat na gid mo.
Mm. And last question na lang, Telo. Kasi para at least you guys would also have an idea. Kasi he has been where you guys are. When was your first 6 digits nga earning here sa Sun?
I think that was 2023.
So parang 3 years
One.
after nga you really went all out. And imagine guys, I remember nga when he was still teaching, so Saturday, Sunday, sige pa na siya check. Saya ka busy, kaya daga pa siya gi-check kung nga mag-meeting pa ta. And did you guys know I always placed him in a standard because when the timing lang yun nga sa iyang batch, murag tulura sila kabuok. Now we're very many, we're 10. He had 20 joint field work with me. So 20 meetings sa Gunson. But did you know, sa 20, murag, pila na to get?
5?
Oh, so
Go.
gamay ra gyud. So ing ana ang business like ayaw ninyo murag kung ma-discourage mo sa ni decline, always know nga naara gyud na siya eventually nga 5 ka buok. And you know, you eventually he decided to go here full time and happy naman siya sa life niya. Ayon. Sige. Tia, would you like to point kung sino ang next sharer?
Next share is Carlin.
Good morning, everyone. So ako gid ay paborito jud ko ma-pick every time gani na ay mga who's the next sharer o kuan kanang any thoughts. Ako jud ay number 1. I
Nanay
don't know
reason
unsa na
ate.
ako. But usually number 1 jud na whether someone knows me or not, ako jud na yung mapilian. Anyway, I'm thankful number 1 because na-pass yun finally after April 18 exam, and I never expected na ang trad og ang variable mapasar. It's because I just had 2 days na nag-review, and the review for face-to-face review was very helpful because the managers, I think mga managers man to sila nag-discuss when we had the face-to-face office, and very helpful because most of the reviewers would just go through with the questions and just share the answer, but at least for them they would just somehow share a little bit of learning about sa Sun Life, though mga kuan lang to siya, mga murag general info, but somehow they could relate it a bit to Sun Life. And then next is thankful from the last month kay finally nahuman na gid ning ang grade 6 nako, ni graduate na. And murag moving on na ta to the next stage, and money could gid taron, though I work ang husband, but of course as a parent you would also do your part to parehan ni Sir Tiel na mag sideline lang for now, though naa may position dito karon sa call center, kay call center man ko karon, but lahi man gyud if naa gyud tay sideline for me. And then lastly is katong humana gid ko sa akong mga tasks sa work so I could focus here diri sa Sun Life. Okay, end of month mga submit of reports and everything, so at least kita ways how to reach out to other people.
Yun. Thank you, Ate Carl. Ikaw na po go sa next. Go.
Si Cherry.
Sige. Good morning, everyone. So, the things that are I'm grateful for is, of course, kanang blessings. Every day, nag-receive jud og blessings jud no gikan sa taas. Then second, so far sa tanang gipang approach na ko o gipa-introducean og Sun Life, so far kay positive ra jud ila ang kanang bagka ilang results. Naaman si uban nga moingon nga dili sa ako, but most of them work open na ba, so happy kaayo po, napasalamat ko kay dili ra jud kayo negative ang kuan ba kay kasugod pagutan no, so dili ra po kayo harap guys kayo lang kaya ka na ko in the first place ang first approach na ako okay raman po, positive ra po, di lang nga open sila to listen, then maminaw sila sa atong products. Then thirdly is kuan sa atong source of income nga still ga-worker gapunta, ga-provide gapunta sa atong mga needs.
Ma'am Che, parang nihang siya. Sige. Actually, Ma'am Che is in Dumaguete pala, guys. So, ayun. Mga lagyo-lagyo po tanan. Sige, while we wait lang for Ma'am Che, as we save our time, ayun, nawala na talaga siya. Ayun,
Hello, ma'am.
hello, yun. Sige, go at, go Miss Che.
Wala.
Medyo naputol ka
Kasi
sa katong sweldo. Ayun.
Akuan ma'am, katong source of income na to for now nga still na apagihapon ano nagtrabaho makaprovide pagyapon sa atong mga needs and wants. Uban baya po no kay galisod biya po og pangitag trabaho ang makasurvive silang daily jud. So mo po na tong sa atong ipasalamat pagyapon despite sa crisis sa government laban na gapon mas mahal ang gasolina. Mao to.
Yes, lumalaban lang sa life. Ayun. Sige, Ma'am Che. And last but not the least, go Ares.
Well, good morning. Pako ko regarding sa financial advisor under ni Sir. Yeah. So I'm grateful to have good health. Tapos na-work sa actually gikan pa ko sa work kay VA ko. So pako ko out. So yeah. And hopefully wish na siya kay na may upcoming exam this May 23. So hopefully makapasasad like you guys said. Yeah.
Yay! Thank you, Ares. Yun, mapasara ka basta ma-perfect na ni mo reviewer, di ba, Ate Kat? Ma'am Che?
As in, balik-balik lang yun. Maura gito siyang mga questions na adito.
Maura to siya. Yan. So, thank you so much, guys. And this is our usual structure na mo. Even when you attend the huddles within your respective units, we always do a check-in question, whatever question it is at that time, no? We always do meditation. It's everything for us, no? Meditation has helped both of us still just to like para karon crisis so murag positive lang gihapon ta, di ba? So kana lang gyud. So first and foremost what I'm going to share is the pinaka important when in terms of being in this business. So being in this business, it just like any other thing, no? It's really beginning with your mindset. And I'm pretty sure nga kanang don't mind lang ani I'm pretty sure nga you guys are thinking nga kabalo naman yun ta about mindset, but this is just our reiteration, no? Sometimes we forget gani, for example, like we already know that to have a healthy body kay dili magpalabi og hinamis. Ana, no? Mura na siya i-remind lang nato how can we help in our kanang mindset and how we can start in this business, because with all the people that I've trained ever since I became a manager at 2019, the people who stayed here is who had that abundance mindset na and also that positive mindset. So Let's go through on the rules. Be present, go full out. Pag my heart reacts, go. I love that you guys are opening your cameras, and most of all, enjoy. So first set lang, the first 30 minutes will just be mindset, how do we handle this business? And the next 30 minutes is mag-start na ta sa mga basic sa mga products. Like, what does Sun Life have? And when do you offer this? No? Pero medyo nasa ano lang, basic level muna because basig manusbleed niya mo, no? So next week, we will continue on more products pa. And also how to understand like, I know naka-roleplay ta ato Ate Carlene, so we will continue also, no? What are the things that we offer good, no? But before offering again, it's really understanding the person's financial situation, family situation, and all of their responsibilities. So since Aris and Ma'am Che, wala mo last week, I'll just be sending the recording from last week. So nag-start naman good mi ato last week. So ayun. So um kay this slides wag good is wait lang ha, sorry. Ayun. Yun. So I want to share this pinakanindot na floppy pancake theory and actually imo siyang na-execute Ate Carl. So last week guys, just to catch you up, I gave them an assignment wherein they're going to start approaching people. No? They're going to start approaching people. Bahala na sila nga. Unsa may tubag nila and all of that. And I love it when you think about the floppy pancake theory. So, ako very mahilig ko og podcast. So, when I'm in the car, dili kay ko tig-play og music, but tig-play ko og podcast like any person that I look up to. Kasi familiar here with Hormozy, Alex Hormozy, Leila Hormozy. So just to give you an idea, these are business owners, ang specifically iyang wife, during her late 19, 20 years old, imagine na ha, she was partying, she's on drugs, but now at 36, 37, they were able to build $100 million, ha? $100 million empire with his husband. So, of course, I follow these people. So, unsa man iyang gise about floppy pancake theory and how can we integrate this with Sun Life, no? So, I'm going to play this video and mag-sharing ta after about it. Yun.
The fastest growing businesses and most successful people in the world all have one unfair advantage, and that
There. I'm just gonna skip the others.
pieces are built. They're not born. They don't come out of nowhere. If you are not slightly embarrassed by version 1.0, you have launched too late. So here's what I tell myself. This helps me a lot. I call it the first floppy pancake principle. You know when you're making pancakes and there's the first pancake, it's always ugly. It like burns on one side, it soaks up all the butter on the pan. It's like raw on one side, burnt on the other, and it looks like it like just got rolled over by a truck. The thing is that you make that pancake and you know that the first pancake always looks the worst because it soaks up all the butter, the pan's like heating up still, like it just always is the worst one. But you don't throw out the whole batch. You're like, okay, I'm gonna flip another one and then another one. And by the fifth pancake, you realize that you've got like IHOP style pancakes, like they're looking pretty freaking good. And so every product launch, every piece of content, every business idea, they are all floppy pancakes at first. But most people spend months trying to get the first pancake to be the best pancake instead of saying number 50 might be the best. And here's the thing, you can't even improve a product that doesn't exist. You cannot get market feedback for something if you're still perfecting in your head. How do you know the pancake's good if nobody eats it? You don't. Maybe the first pancake tastes amazing and the fifth one tastes like you don't know. And so what I would tell you guys is you need to embrace the floppy pancake. I tell people all the time, I'm like, you cannot be afraid of falling on your ass in front of other people. Otherwise, you will never make it in business. Yes, people get to see that publicly, but I also have the success I do because I'm willing to do that. And so the reality is the person who ships 10 imperfect versions is always going to beat the person that's still polishing number 1. Number 3 is cut your deadlines in half. You want to force yourself to be into floppy pancake mode? You need to use this tool, okay? The fastest way to get faster is to give yourself half the time that you think is needed. This is something that I do with myself all the time because I tend to be the type of person that's like, it'll take me 3 weeks to do this. But the reality is that it won't take me 3 weeks. It might take me 3 hours, okay? And so I've learned to use Parkinson's law against myself. Parkinson's law is work expands to fill the time available. So for me, this is what I know. If I think that something will take me 2 weeks, I give myself 1. If I think it's gonna take 4 hours, I give myself 2. And here's what I have seen happen. I become more innovative. I stop polishing things that don't actually matter. I focus on only the things that actually move the needle. I make decisions faster. And so, for example, last month I had to prepare for a $2 million pitch. And normally I would spend 3-4 weeks obsessing over every little slide. And instead I said, I'm gonna do what my husband does, who doesn't prepare at all. And I was like, I'm gonna give myself 3 days. That's it. 3 days to think about it. I'm gonna do the 3 days prior to it. So it's like really feeling like it's close. It's like at the line. And ironically, it was the best pitch that I'd ever given. And now why was that? Because I only focused on the things that mattered instead of like 30 things that didn't have anything to do with it, which also, when you focus on the 30 things, they're usually things that don't matter and they distract you from the things that do. So you're actually stealing your attention from the things that are gonna move the needle, which is the worst part of this. And so what this taught me for myself and what I've learned through enacting this process is that time pressure doesn't create stress. It creates clarity, because the less time you have, the faster you actually figure out what matters. And so right now, if you have deadlines, if you have projects you're working on, cut it all in half. Cut it in half. It's a fun thing that I like to do with meetings is that I'll just go through everyone's and be like, cut everything in half. And the team's like, oh gosh, she's at it again. But I'm like, I just want to see, can I still get it done? Can we still solve the problems with half the time? And I will bet you that you will still get it done, but you will feel more focused. You will feel less analysis paralysis, and you will realize that speed comes from working sharper, working in smaller segments, not longer hours. Number 4 is that success is your biggest enemy. The moment that you start winning is the exact moment that people lose everything. Comfort is the killer of champions. Imagine this, Alex and myself, we are pulling in like $300,000 a month from our kitchen table. Life is good. We just got married. We went from being broke and being in debt to like having $300,000 a month, working from our kitchen table, 1 assistant. Life felt good. I remember we were like, we can finally get appetizers and guac and Chipotle. This is amazing. Then we got invited to a mastermind. And at that mastermind, everybody there was making like 8 figures a year. And we were still like making, low 7s. And I remember we go up there and we tell everybody what's going on with the business and how easy it feels and how much money we're making, how fast it's growing. And it's amazing. We've only got like 2 people working with us. And I remember this guy with a $50 million company pulls me aside at the event. He said something and it gave me chills and unfortunately sticks with me to this day. He looked at me, he said, kid, if making money feels easy right now, that's your biggest red flag. Because while you're celebrating, somebody hungrier than you is studying your playbook, raising capital, hiring people, and planning to bury you. And I remember that moment, it was like.
So I'm just gonna end it there. And I want to hear what you guys are getting from this. The floppy pancake, putting deadlines in half. Because I know that you guys are doing part-time and I know things get overwhelming and so busy with your work, with the work tasks. But if there's one thing that I will always share so that you avoid the failure, avoid also the things that also cost other advisors in terms of not surviving. It's really making an intentional moment na kahit 30 minutes lang of intentional time here in Sun Life, just building relationships. It doesn't have to be that you're going to set appointment. It could be you want to build certain relationships with other people. You can join organizations. What greatly helps people is really also building a relationship with someone. And yeah, so I also want to hear your thoughts, biggest realization from that quick video. Sige, dili ikaw, Ate Carlin, si ano na lang, si Ares. Realizations from that, Ares.
Have to build relationship with a good relationship with other people, and also you have to join. I'm
About the
sorry.
video, sorry, about
nag-CR
the
po kasi.
video.
Okay, ang video. Umalis kasi ako kasi pumunta ng CR.
Ah,
So,
okay,
yeah.
okay, okay.
Hindi ko na kita lahat yung video. Sorry po.
Ay, sorry, you don't understand Bisaya pala?
Ay! And understand po. Sorry.
Okay, okay, okay. But what did you get something from the video when you were like, or the whole time nasa CR ka lang?
Oh, no. Chips kasi ako. Sorry.
Okay, okay, okay. Sige, sige. Sige, go, Ma'am Che. Learnings from the video, not from me, from the video.
Okay. Hello, Mrs. Dugog ra, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Dugog ra, ma'am, sa. Kuan, ma'am, ang akong na-learn is that not all goals or your plans will be automatically accomplished. So, undergo sa edyo ka og mga failure, mga trial and error, mga any approaches jud kay you have first to practice study pa nimo tanang mga strategy ang products na gina-offer until such time moabot na ma-perfect na nimo mapunta na ka sa peak nga wherein okay na perfect na ka sa point nga you can really deliver it well then makakuha na ka og trust and then makabuild na kasi mo in person if God willing. Ana.
Ayun, thank you, Ma'am Che, no? And what I'm going to share with you guys is I also don't want you guys to fall in a over-analysis trap. Like, I have to memorize every single product back word per word just to sell this to this person. Although it's a good thing, of course, no? But I also want to share to you guys that sometimes that also prohibits you na to take action. Kanang ganahan, like what Leila Hermosi said, like, you don't have to wait for the perfect moment, just take action, no? And that's why na, I wanna share, no, what Ate Carlene did, and she actually did the floppy pancake, no? So I shared to them last week on like one of our approaches, which is the survey technique. So it's asking people on a quick survey and just 3 questions. And then what you're going to ask them is number one, what do you do? I'm going to send you guys the script pala. But what will you do on every payday? Next is how do you, on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you feel about your overall finances? And number 3 is what would you like to learn if you were to attend a money management session? And then after saying thank you to the client, you provide them a money management session and you create urgency by telling them that it's only limited slots. So ginawa nila Ate Carlene, no? I thank you Ate for saying siya nga, good morning Eds. Siya, iyahani ha. So this is her floppy pancake because this is her first try. So siya, good morning Eds. I'm currently conducting a survey. 1 minute lang, okay lang ba to ask you? Siya, unsa man na nga survey later pa kay nagluto ganina. So I'm assuming that's gabi tapos nag-lunch siya. That's fine. Okay ra, no worries, nauli ka sa Pinas, which is, I totally understand, no? Nag-financial advisor na ko, gipa-survey me if na-interest about financial management. Oh, dugay ra, broke na gani. Oh, congrats, Madam Juga. I'm curious, Ate Carl, what was the next convo after this?
So, ni-offer ko sa iya na since ang imuhang work is a risk, you are a seaman and of course you have a child waiting here sa Philippines. Why won't you get an insurance? So
okay.
his response was because naghagbayranan, and then maybe because ang iyang misis kanang wala na handle siguro ang finances nila very well. So mo na every now and then, every time munaog siya from iyahang sampa, so murag wala siya money nga madala. Kung naamang gani enough lang for the maybe mga pila ka weeks lang from the day nga nauli siya sa Philippines. So murag lisod siya. So wala lang po na ko gipugos.
So thank you for sharing and thank you no for your honesty. So after Anna, so let me get this straight. Akong nasabtan is so there were no questions that happened. Tama?
wala na, medyo lisod na kay din. Stop naman siya nga sa broke na gani, and then to follow ang next na is pwede ba ko manghuam og money from you, hala oy. Di man ta
Agoy.
pamaligyan. Nako, murag ko ay imbis mamaligyan on tag insurance, wala na hinon kay gihugma na ta.
And guys, that's the floppy pancake. So if that's a floppy pancake because and it's good na you guys you also experience it, Ate Carl, because all of us experience it. Na times na parang mangayo na lang og kwarta ang ending. But here's the thing. What I could have sige, I'll think I'm trying to find the right word. Who among you here have friends wherein similar ana nga kanang murag unsay tawag ani manghuam or or like struggling and all. What I could have naa ba mo mga friends nga kanang usually kamoy daganan. Pa-heart reacts lang. Or sa Ate Carlin lang yung daganan. Ako sad. Pero naabot ng kong point nga mo ignore na lang ko. Oh, yun si heart reacts my dear Hanili thumbs up. Sige, Aris, no? So, what could I have done here siya? If you actually, I would have done you would stick to the script. Because here, I would have said, okay Ra, no worries, nauli ka sa Pinas. I would have avoided this. Aida. It's because, mura kag niingon niya nga, ay basta good. Mura, they won't take it seriously. I get it, you guys are friends, and then they banter and all of that stuff. But we would also have to realize that we are here to help, and we are here to help them get consulted with. So, asya, ay dagi pa, nag-advisor na ko, gipa surveying me if na interest about financial management. So, if you would remember the script, it says, for the month of I'm already financial coach, and for the month of April sana I'm conducting a money management workshop, and 1 minute lang ni okay lang ba if you'd help me because I'm conducting them. Instead, when people if people would ask you if people would receive nga gipa-survey me if na interest about financial management, they would feel nga hala tan-aw niya bunsa na akong kwarta. So, it kind of made sense nga nung mayon siya nga broke na ko. No? So, instead of like, check parang what you're trying to express here, ate, nag-survey me para tan-aw na ko kung na ba kay interest to financial management. But rather, it would have been packaged differently nga, I am doing this so that I could improve on how I handle my finances. Because in the end, you're just going to invite them in the end. Because ang first magud ate is you want to understand first, how do they handle money? Even if they said they're broke, naka-approach na ko og mga tao nga gipit gyud. But eventually, 1 year after, just because I was able to invite them for a money management after, nikuha sila, tulo ka plans. And they were a heavy 6-digit credit card debt, mga ingana. So this could still be a client, but ayos, when you guys start, don't veer away from the script muna. So, I'm going to share, okay lang ba, Ate Carl, nga I'll share this to for the benefit of Ma'am Che and Aris pod. Okay lang? Sige, sige. Hold on. Yun. So, here's the script that we do. It's a survey technique, no? Let's review it lang. So, we do this for people. Why survey? Kabantay mo nga, people naturally would want to help people. Like, for example, kung masaag ka to you're going to Bantayan Island and nasaag ka sa sa Carmen, no? Kung mga, di mo manitsit naman tas tao sa kilid niya, it asa gani ang kuan. It's really a human nature nga, we really want to help people. And when people see that you need help, they will give it to you, no? So they could give it to you. Naturally, this is better pag call because you can do the surveys right away. Or you could do this through chat. The chat, secondary. So, what you do is, you're just going to say, good evening, I'm currently conducting this for 1 minute lang ni. Would it be good to ask you? I'm already a financial coach. And then they would say, okay. For some, they would say, okay lang through call para mas paspas. So people will call, then they ask the questions. For some, moto nga, you can do this. For example, for the month of May, I will be conducting a money management workshop. 1 minute lang siya, 3 questions. Okay lang to ask you because I'm currently conducting a money management seminar and this survey would help me. Pag mag-thumbs up, go. I don't want you guys to send the questions all in one go. It's overwhelming for a person. Like, their brain cannot function, especially pag chat siya. You guys might be wondering, nganong dili Google Form? So, Google Form, ang good, it's used if ever kanang mga people don't really want to open a Google Form. Daghan kayo siyang hurdles. Mag-login pa sa Gmail, mag-password pa. What if imuhang client kay kalimot siyang password? So, you want as much as possible easier and faster to reply. So, again, the questions are, every payday, what is the first thing you do with your money? Once they answer, you just ask them why. Because you'll understand what kind of money behavior they have. Number 2, from a scale of 1 to 10, how do you feel about your money right now? Or you could say, overall finances. Because some people could have high income, but daghan utang. And normal na ha, especially if maybe naiuban nga, it's, depende if it's bad debt or good debt. Kaya mga business owners, daghan man sig mga utang. Diba? Then number 3 is, if you were to attend a money management class, what skill or topic would you like to learn? So, all you're going to do is just thank you for participating sa survey. After I thank you, yun, you will give them a gift. So, when people will say, ay, nakoy nadawat kay nag-survey ko. So, as a thank you, sa tanan nga ni participate sa mo survey, we provide, ako na siya gibisaya guys ha, kay ang nitdentar mo good ani Tagalog. We give free financial coaching sessions. It can be done over coffee or online, and all the tips and strategies on how to budget, allocate, and prioritize your cash flow. And kato imong tubag sa question number 3 na asad sa worksheet. It is still a personal money management. And then you set the appointment. So, ang task ninyo in the upcoming week is the same. Do it, ayaw lang sa og veer away sa script. No, don't mix, ayaw jud og kuan lang, take control of the conversation. Ayaw ka affected if binuangan ka, like o kada mag-joke sila. Uy, balik sa to kay kanang tiwason sa nina to ang survey. Okay lang kay dako gid ni siya tabang sa ako if they veer away, no? So, kay usay baya kita mga girls, sobra ta kabuutan. Nga, sige lang, no? But you know, this is what I've learned in business. Being nice and being a people pleaser, which is who I was, will not get you anywhere. I'm going to say it up front. Being super nice and being a people pleaser will not get you anywhere. And that's what I've learned, no, over the years in business. Mabitaw, no, kung if I'm too agreeable, what would happen? Oh wait, may nag-chat. Yun, screenshot, you can screenshot this and apply. Tel, would you like to add when we were doing this? I remember you also did this before.
Yes, of course. Helpful you guys, yeah. Especially nga katong na-recall nako tong time nga bago pa ko. Like I was in the first 5 months, nakarelate sad ko sa ingon ni katong sa video ganina nga your first pancake di gina perfect and dili sad pwede nga imo pang i-master diha pa nimo i-apply. So naagid tayo mga application nga diha dayon no, dili kinahanglan nga kanang ready na ka because ang may tabuan na wala kay mabuhat. it's better nga murag mas kuan pa ka ba, mo apply ka, bahalag na yung mga mistakes, because of course no, you're still starting, so munang kinahanglan gyud siya og application. And so far sa kaning nga technique yun, daghan ko og na set nga appointment sa akong client, and mostly sa kaning gikan ani nga conversation, naka-understand sila unsa ka-importante ang naay financial management. And right now, they're still my clients. There are already 5 years and up nga clients na po, no? Nakasabot sila unsa ka-importante ang naay financial management, because you will never know, people needs financial advisor yun, nga someone nga makatabang nila sa pag-organize silang finances, asa sila nagkulang, unsa ilang wa naibaw-an, kay especially mga tao nga busy kayo or wala jud time ana no. So unang kinahanglan ikaw naa ka diha to help them. And yes, this survey is really helpful, good for starting a conversation. Mo gina siya importante. You start a conversation with your client.
Yan, thank you, Tel. And I like pero sometimes maka-overthink magud ako unsa ko ingnon. Ka-relate ba mo hala magsugod na ko unsa ko ingnon ani siya. No? And totally understandable because of course it's really opening a conversation. It's something new. How am I going to explain this? And once you guys set an appointment, ay radyo ka bala kay may radyo mo handle silang money management. And also beyond that, no, as another moving forward, no, from the floppy, is I don't want you guys to fear the zero. No, I don't want na because again at the end of the day, real growth comes from really pain and challenges. Because if you want an easy life, you have to face the hard right now and then eventually the easy life. If you want to face the easy now, you'll eventually have the hard life later. Does it make sense? Like, if you keep on settling on your own comfort zone or kanilang bitaw kutob ako nahibalan kanira bitaw ang ako ang kuan enough ra ni nako. So eventually you'll have the difficulty in your life later. I always tell my team na in terms of building your own wealth, don't be scared to build even more. I know there's the fine line nga. When do we become contented and when do we become grateful? You actually can do both doing the same time. You can be contented and be grateful for what you have now, but also look forward for what's to come in the future. Because I really tell each and every advisor in my team, and this is for you guys na, I wanna make sure nga I was able to live a life nga naka-fulfill ko sa kong own potential. I was able to fulfill my own greatness. But did you know that there are so many people who are afraid of success? I am one of them. I am afraid of success because basig binuangan ko, i-abuse ko, or who will I become? Because the truth with success is it's lonely also, but it's also you take so much risk. You take so much risk because imuhang environment, and once you start leveling up yourself, naaman tay mga friends or mga people in the past na to nga murag di nakasabot because you've changed. Tama ba? So, that's why, going back to fear behind the zero, ayaw mo kahadlok to make the mistakes. Ayaw mo kahadlok kung naa kay mga clients nga mo dili. Actually, mas exciting pag ginao. Sige, dili ka. I always go, akong mind again mo, anak rajud ko, ilaha bitaw ng pamilya, kung magkalisod sila pohon, ilaha ng sala. Anak rajud ko. Ilaha ng sala. And ako, I always make sure nga, how many times would I be approaching this person? Because oftentimes, sometimes our clients cannot decide on the spot, no? Akong own best friend, 3 years pa siya ni-decide. Nag-compare pa sa Red Company. Ako, best friend na nakuha, grade 5 pa mi nagkuyog unya. Ako, nanana ko diri sa Sun Life. but I don't want to kana bitang think about it na parang I'm just here to help. Whether you decide or not, I will help. Ayun. So don't be afraid of the zero. And again, at the end of the day, it's really taking action. Practice lang gyud until you master the survey. Ayun, practice lang gyud. And of course, in once na you've had multiple actions from it, you would be able to grow. No, take action ng daily. Bisag imong chatan tanan, what you do is chatan lang tanan, hi, for example kamo, hi Carlene, I'm currently conducting a survey kanang can you help me? Then send to all, pero change lang ang names. Unya, huwat lang ka kinsay mo reply anang na po. Because if you're going to approach lang mga tulot, duha, more or less gamay ra na ang result ana. So you have to big volume jud siya. So 10, bisag 10 lang adi nga imong daghanon nga tanan nimong friends. Ayaw sa og think nga hala makapalit pa ba ni ka siya nako? Ayaw sa wala pa siya diha. the Because if you keep thinking nga makapalit ba kani siya insurance nako, they would feel that energy. They would feel that ay murag ba sila na siya gipangayo ingana. But shift it to I want to help more people. I want to help their family. Kay dara ba ni sila anak? I want to help this family because breadwinner ba ya ni siya? Wa siya dependence. Focus on that. Your energy shifts. So, okay ba? Thumbs up? Okay pa mo? Yun. So, yun, here good in this business is you will also expand your emotional capacity as in. Like, I always tell people na lahi-lahi tag capacity to face in terms of pressure and challenges. What I mean by that is it's very important to master on managing your emotions during rejections and very challenging to maintain your confidence in challenging situations. That's why here, matest good inyuhang emotional capacity to handle challenges. So, ayun. Tiel, can you share a moment in your life lang na during this career? I remember there was a time na parang you didn't have sales, tapos how did you bounce back? Was there ever a time? Like, how did you handle your emotions para just to share lang with others?
Sorry to interrupt. Nakali mo box. So, version na siya. Tanaw, i-screenshot lang ninyo. Padili mo mag-Tagalog.
Okay. Sige, go.
So, how did I bounce back? In your first month gidiri or first few months diri, medyo kuan gid siya, challenging gid siya. I tell you daan kay at first jud na gid mo capacity to be attached sa mga tao nga inyong gi-approach, and you'll be attached sa inyong expectation. Wala, nag-expect na ka nga mo bayad na si mabayad na si Ma'am Cherry, mabayad na si Ma'am Steph. But always remember, when you get attached, dugay ka maka-move on. No? Murag mag-uyab ba? Kung ma-attach na ka niya, magwag mo, lisod kayo mo dawaton. So, dire po in sales, kung kadto lang gyapon ang person nga imuhang gibalik-balik, no? You'll never get to move on to the next person. So, how did I manage it? So, I have a list of people, no? Every week, in a week, I have 50 at least kataw nga akong gisuwat, akong gi-approach, no? I don't care kung pila ang mo set og appointment nako, mo set og meeting nako, because I always put in my mind nga it's never my loss. Mo ginako kay ang tao nga ganahan makabahaw sa unsay wala pa niya naibaw-an, mangita ginag time para nimo, no? And if you are there genuinely for them, maka-help nila, no? It's actually never your loss because you're there to help them, no? Kay bisan gani mga doktor gani, di ba? Namgi times nga di sila atuon sa ilang patient kay nalagi busy lagi ana, no? So kung naon mo kinsa man din ang loss sa doktor din ang loss, di ba? Ato gina sa patient kay wala niya gituman ang schedule, wala niya gituman ang ilang kuan, ilang medication because sa dako di ni kuan lang, consultation lang or pang advisory lang. It's also like being a doctor to them financially. So una kita we have to move on fast gid diri sa sales. Kung tan-aw nimo dili pa siya ready or di pa siya ganahan makikuan, then go on to the next people, no? Katong mga lista ninyo nga top 100. So by the way, kasi wala pa yung naka top 100 rin, no? Top 100
Nakalist na ka,
list.
Ate Carl? Mga last.
Mag-list na ko karon gyud. Murag
Sayon na kay ng top 100, ma'am. Don't overthink. Ano naa
Mm.
lang yun to, i-recall lang yun imuhang pagkabata, silingan. So that's 10 people. Elementary, 10 people. High school, 10 people. College, 10 people. Katrabaho, 10 people. Di ba?
Mm.
Sayon ra kayo. Dali ra kayo makuha nimo ang top 100. So, i-segregate lang para dili kira ma-overthink pa nga. Kinsa mo to top 100 na ko eh. So, muna siya. So, again, always remember nga in your first few months sa diri, naagid na yung ratio ang sales. From 10 people that you approach, only 5 will go on your meeting or makig-set sa inyong schedule. Sa inyong na-set na schedule nga 5 people, tulo ra ka book ang mudayon gid ana. No? Average, no? Tulo ka book tao. Yan sa tulo ka book tao nga na meeting ninyo, usa ra gid ang mukuha. So it's 10:1, no? 10 kabuk yung people nga usa ang tao nga na successful ninyo og close. But the question is, if you're consistent with that, katong usa ka tao na inyuhang na close, naka-change og impact nimo, naka-change ka og impact sa iyang life. Ay ko ina dito manabi ang usa ka tao. Di ba? It's always someone good nga you are on top of her mind, no? Nga naman gahapon ako ang classmate, nakita mi napapa na siya ako sa una sigug approach niya, wala ra koy paki kung mo kuan siya mo set ra meeting or kuan, nagsigira ko chat niya sa una. Karon nga nahimo siya papa, naka-realize siya unsa ka importante ang insurance. Mag-set na siya schedule ako. That's the importance of you are top of the people's mind. Kay tungod naa ka ng industry. You are visible. Mura kag tindahan diri, no? Di man mo pugson ang tao nga mupalit og isda niya iyang gusto paliton kay sibuyas ra, di ba? So dapat open sad ka sa imong tindahan, dili ka manirado. Dapat visible kas mga tao. Dili kay mo open ra ka kay gusto nimo, no? So dapat you're visible to people's eyes. So that's it.
Ayun, thank you naman, Tiel. And what I got from that is really volume of people lang nga daghan kag ma-approach, especially on your first year, and actually continuous talaga siya. And at the same time, we will also be teaching you on how to do your own personal branding. Ganahan ba mo ana nga people will just come to you also. Sila na lang mo duol nimo. No, that's also part of like what we do in terms of being part of Sun Life. So moving on, we'll now be focusing on products. So nasa second part na tayo sa ato ang learning session. And in the next 40 minutes, we're going to understand traditional plan and VUL. So, ready lang your pens and ball pens because this will be quite a lot. And we will be sharing to you sample products of Sun Life wherein mga products are very most sellable, no, nga mga plans. So, ayun. Yun. So, we'll start with traditional plan. So, everyone naka-review naman, no? Naka-take na ba? Either review sa traditional concepts. Nakapasar naman sa ang uban. So, sige go. Ikaw, Miss Aris, nagsugod naka-review for traditional concepts?
Oh, pero gamay-gamay pa. Kay
Okay lang.
23 pa man ang exam.
Okay. Sige. So, but it's fine. At least like you also have pang help na nisa sa review. So let's start with traditional plans. So first, let's understand that it involves a guaranteed benefit, a guaranteed cash value, and dividend. So I'm going to explain each. So what is the guaranteed benefit? So basically, this is the insurance component of a plan. So basically, this would be all the benefits na guaranteed for each plan. Next naman is guaranteed cash value. So every traditional plan na whole life traditional plans, they have guaranteed cash values. What are guaranteed cash values? Ang meaning ani is every time our clients would pay for a traditional plan, there is also like a saving side sa plans nila. And I'll show to you a sample later. And number one, the benefit is you can loan from it. Remember when I shared to you, to all of you na parang there are business owners like si Walt Disney who was able to get a loan from his insurance policy because he was not able to loan from any bank. So this is an example. He used his guaranteed cash value of his life insurance, although mas taas lang siyang interest. Why? Unlike sa bank, 'di ba, there's so much paperwork. Kinsa na ba yung naka-try na mag-loan from the bank here? Type me sa chat. Wala nang mahiyam ako mag-loan kasi of course pwede naman baka nag-business. Wala pa nag-loan ninyo. Okay lang, which is a good thing.
So ako,
Ikaw, Ate
kami
Car.
sa akong husband,
Yun, sa house ba to, car?
sa car.
Sa car. Okay, good. So, pila ang interest rate sa bank na gihatag sa inyo, ate?
Money, not bank, but financial, direct. So, in-house man siya. So, sa Toyota, medyo maybe dako siya compared to banks. Nalimot ko.
So in-house sa car, usually naaman good na for every kanang sa mga Isuzu, Toyota, car dealers there. Car dealers when I was trying to find a name. So, you can also utilize here nga you can share to your clients, no? I love the line when you say, you can tell business owners, and you can write this down, they can use this as a line of credit. So for example, business owners, they want to expand their business. They want to grow their business. And they don't want to do the paperwork with the bank. They can simply apply from their own traditional life insurance plan, loan from it, loanable siya up to 75% only. Dili siya pwede 100%. Because if 100% ang yung kuhaon sa guaranteed cash value, the policy will terminate. Surrender na siya. Surrender na siya sa guaranteed cash value, siyang policy. Next, dividend. So, kinsa naka-remember here, participating and non-participating policies. Nalimtan na ang exam. Remember, pag participating traditional policy, it has dividends. Ayan. Pag nag-participate, yun. But if non-participating, they don't have dividends. So, I'm putting it here for participating traditional policies. it is withdrawable. So you're wondering now, sige, how does our plans earn, no? Our plans earn from this, no? So it's actually invested in Sun Life, no? So it's invested in the insurance company. And why I'm proud also to be in Sun Life and why we should be proud and being part of Sun Life is because did you know that in the Philippine Stock Exchange, it's only Sun Life of Canada Philippines Inc. and the Green Company ang naa sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Sila lang ang public company in the Philippine Stock Exchange. What would this mean for our prospective clients? Meaning, Sun Life of Canada Philippines Inc. is a stable company and wherein all of their financials, from their PE ratio to their earnings, to their net income, to their how they're earning every quarter per quarter, it's open. Naka-open ang financial statements. So that's why with dividends, no, sa Sun Life, they would earn around mag-change na siya every year si Sun Life, pero this year nag-declare siya og 4.5%. Better than the bank, 'di ba? So mo na siya ang traditional plan. Ayun. So sa traditional plan, you would have term insurance, endowment plans, and whole life. So, I hope nag-notes mo diha, maybe sa inyong laptop, sa inyong notebook, kung whatever kilig ninyo. Because this is very important to remember. So, term insurance, endowment, and whole life. So, term insurance is a plan that covers you for a specified period and can be renewed later on for a same period until the maximum age of the plan. So, what does this mean? For example, si client just wants an affordable plan because this is the pinaka-affordable plan because we can offer a plan, guys, na 500 pesos per month. 500 pesos per month. So, pwede sila mag-term insurance. But, they can only be covered, no, on the time that they pay, unya, na atay mga plans nga wherein 5 years lang sila covered. So, pwede siya ing 5 years lang, dili sila whole life, dili 10 years, no? Magsige sila renew. Muna siya ang term insurance. Ang endowment is, muna akong pinaka-favorite, but it's one of the most expensive plans ni Sun Life. It offers guaranteed living benefits and on top of the protection, and gives payouts or a lump sum amount when the policy matures. I think, Ms. Che, this is what I mentioned to your joint fieldwork kahapon, wherein, for example, your client will be receiving 100,000 pesos on the 6th year of the plan, tapos every single year, until they turn 100 years old, magdawat ra sila 100,000 pesos. Yes. Diba? Nice kaayo. Magdawat lang regardless if whatever happens to the market. So that is that's what we call endowment. Whole life. So this covers the insured until he or she passes away. So meaning covered siya until 100 years old, no? Or until they pass away, tapos as long as the policy is active. So mo na siya ang traditional plan. So we have a lot of products, no? In terms of term, we have maybe naamoy para to help you guys learn sa inyong prospects, maybe naamoy mga kailangan ganahan mag-loan from the bank, house loan, car loan, business loan, whatever loan, required na siya og naamoy insurance, wherein the beneficiary is the bank. So pwede mo nga kamo ang mo offer. If, for example, your client medyo gipit pa sila but they want to have life insurance, you can also offer term. Ayun. Napod tayo endowment nga wherein after 20 years, all of what they've paid, ibalik sa ilaha 100%. Sa taing ana. Or endowment could be the one I shared a while ago, wherein when their child turns 18, magdawat og 500,000. And then, pwede po, every year magdawat sila. Nice, di ba? So, nasa tayo mga nga nga plans. Naputay whole life wherein focus on health, no? Sunfit and Well is my personal favorite, wherein it's a comprehensive critical illness plan but covered for life. Why is this a very favorite plan of a lot of people? Because sometimes the additional benefits in a VUL plan, I'll go deeper lang, medyo advanced na ni siya nga part. The VUL plans also has critical illness, but oftentimes it's just covered until 70. While Fit and Well is covered until 100 years old. Now, what if magkasakit sila after 70? So I'm going to share to you the advantages and disadvantages of traditional plan. Advantages is fixed payment premiums. More na siya. More na ang amount. Di yun na mo increase. Cash benefits is not impacted during the economic downturn. So during a pandemic, a crisis, especially karon, their cash is not as affected. Has the ability to loan against face amount, has dividends and bonuses. Disadvantages naman. Pag mag-get og whole life plan, it's more pricier. Mas mahal talaga si traditional. Will easily lapse, especially for non-participating policy. So, if you have a client that has a term insurance, and then they did not get to pay after the 30 days grace period, mag-lapse. When we say nag-lapse siya, inactive. If something happens to him during a lapse siya, for example, accident, death, or illness, di na siya covered. So, mo na siya. Dali lang yun siya mo lapse. Yun. So, this is one of the recently launched plans ni Sun Life. This is Sun Life Secure Income 10. So, I want you to, prospective clients for this, young couples, parents, it also could be people, mga earning on the higher end kasi this is quite expensive, wherein they want to plan for their retirement. Ayun. Retirement, education, any life milestone. So this is Sun Life Secure Income 10. So this is a participating traditional whole life product. So naa siya dividends, naa siya guaranteed cash value, and since this is an endowment plan, it has payouts. So here. So I'm going to show to you the illustration, and this is an actual policy that my client got. Kaedad lang na ko rin siya. She's 31 years old. Well, kaedad ako a year ago. Or when she got it, it was years ago. 31 years old. So, what was the reason that they got this is because the husband is employed siya, wala siya gipa-work sa iyang husband. So, ganahan siya nga na ay madawat iyang wife in the future. So, here, guaranteed cash value. Sige, ako lang i-knowledge check sa inyo ha. What can we do with the guaranteed cash value? Pa-chat lang. Para ma-check yun ako kung kamo yun tanan naka-remember. What can you do with the guaranteed cash value? O wala lang ba na mag-chat? Sige, go, Ate Che. Ay, Ate Carl. What can we do with the guaranteed cash value?
Naman na, uy, guaranteed. Nakalimot. Guaranteed cash value.
O, pa-check naman sa notes. Sige. Call a friend ba?
Hindi ka siya ma-withdraw, ma'am.
Yon, pwede siya ma-loan, ma-withdraw. It's loanable. Yan. It can be, it can be payout when we say, maybe a tweak lang na ako, pwede siya ma-loan. Guaranteed cash value, sige, ito i-repeat. Ang guaranteed cash value is loanable. Guys, take notes na lang please para dito mag-go back and forth. Guaranteed cash value is loanable. Sige, tagaan na tong price. Up to how many percent ka maka-loan sa imong guaranteed cash value? Ako siya gi-mention kanina. Sige, i-chat na to sa chat box.
75%.
Tama, 75%. Ayun. So, you can loan up to 75. Kisa to, si Aris? Yeah.
Oo.
Ayan, yan. Congrats, Aris. Yun. You can loan 75% of the guaranteed cash value. If you're going to withdraw everything, it's going to terminate your policy. Yun. So, that's the role of guaranteed cash value. If ganahan mo surrender, meaning i-surrender mo, i-terminate ang plan ni client, on the 3rd year, no, kanilang ilang maget. Dili na nila nga mabalik ang ilahang bayad. Okay? Like, ibalik tanan ilang gibayad na premium. Dili. They're just going to get the guaranteed cash value. Okay. Okay na? Oh, mag-notes lagi ta, guys. Accumulated endowment benefit. So, endowment benefit, muna ni siya ang iyahang payout. For this type of plan, mag-payout na siya on the 6th year na 18,000. You might be wondering, okay, sa 7th year, bakit 36, miss? It's still 18K on the 7th year. It's just that if they choose to leave it, it will earn interest. Oh. So when you explain this to your client, Mr. Client, you can get the 18K. You can also opt to leave it with Sun Life. If you're going to leave it to Sun Life, it will just earn interest. Mao na siya nga nag 36,810. And so on and so forth. Let's just say si client wants to retire 30 years from now. 30 years. Unya, iyang gi-choose is ipabilin lang niya, tanan, prior. Imagine this, she has a guaranteed 802,174. Guaranteed, no tax. Panote na lang, guys. So, I'm going to show to you that insurance code, tax code 32B. Panote, guys, ha? Tax code 32B, all insurance proceeds does not have any tax. Ayun. So, that's the secret. Sa mga uban niya, itago nila yung kwarta diri sa insurance para walay tax. Ayun. Next naman is cash dividend. So, remember sa cash dividend, sige, pa-unmute lang. Where is the cash dividend invested? Akbaw, wala ka ako gisulti. Kita ka move forward kung wala yung result eh.
Ano ba? Nasa permanent plan?
Hindi. Sige. Where is the cash dividend? Doon na siya, Ma'am Che. But, sige,
Participating.
asa man dyan siya naka-invest? Si dividend.
Participating.
Yes, participating siya nga policy. But where siya naka-invest? Like, doon sa niya pag-earn og 4.5%.
Sa investment.
Wait, sige na yun ni chat. Dili. Traditional pa ni siya. Traditional pa ta, Miss Elaine. Ako rin siya gimension a while ago. Clue na lang, it's a company.
Invested in one company.
Yes. But kinsa nga company?
Sun Life.
Yes. Ayun. Thank you, Aris. It's invested in Sun Life. Yun. So, the cash dividend is actually invested in Sun Life na ni siya. And the same thing with the endowment, if they leave it out, no? If they leave it ni Sun Life, more earn siya og interest. So, that's why cash dividend, accumulated dividend, kung ipabilin ra. So, I will recap. I-write down na ni guys. Guaranteed cash value, loanable up to 75%. With 8% interest per annum. Ayun. Okay? Endowment payouts. Guaranteed payouts lang yun ni siya with no tax. Cash dividend invested in Sun Life. And then, mag-earn na ni siya sa iya diri, and if ever ipabilin mo interest. So, let's just say again, balik ko na to, if this client at 31 years old would retire at in 30 years, they would have a benefit from endowment na 800,000. And if wala siya kuha siyang dividends, naa pa siya 388,000. So that's more or less almost 1.2 million. Nindot. 1.2 million in 30 years. By the time ni 61 ka. Heart reactive nindot. Wala po ni tax ha, tanan. Tanan payouts from Sun Life, wala na siya. Wala siya bawas. Ayun. So, again, this is Sun Life Secure Income. Who can you sell this to? The pinaka-best people that you can sell this to is those who have newborn children or children nga mga naa sa 8 years old and below. Could be for their education, could be their lifetime income. How will you approach? Sige, guys, pag notes na mo guys, ha? Pag mo ko notes na. You can tell your parents, you can approach any of your kanang friends who has young kids. Mr. Client, one of the things that, one of the reasons that I'm reaching out to you, sige, ako ibalik. Mr. Client, I'm reaching out to you because one of the biggest concerns of parents is the future of their children. Ayun. And I just thought of you and your baby. You can mention the name of the baby. What if I can show you a way to provide a lifetime income for them? Would you want to know? So when you approach to your prospects, you would need to end with a question. Never end with a yes or no question. Would you want to know about it? Yes, no, yun. Nice ba? You're just going to ask them, would you want to provide a lifetime income for your client? For your baby, rather. For your baby. So, if yes, then proceed with the setting appointment. Ayun. Imagine na kung bata pa lang niya siya, dako siya, millions na siya by the time mo retire siya. Ayun. So, I'll proceed with VUL. So, with VUL naman, wala siya dividends. Wala siya guaranteed cash value. This is the guaranteed benefit with insurance component. And then, fund value. The fund value is withdrawable, invested in multiple companies. It's not loanable. So, wait, sorry, my mom's here. Guaranteed benefit and insurance component. Fund value is withdrawable, invested in multiple companies. Unsa maning guaranteed benefit? So it could be, it's just the death benefit. Death benefit is guaranteed plus the riders. When we say riders, mo ni siya ang additional benefit. Okay? Ang fund value can be withdrawable. This is the time where it can be invested in stocks, in bonds, a mix of both. Okay? So, diha na siya nga na ay investment, ang VUL. Again, I want to also make it clear that VUL plans, no, is insurance first, then investment after. Di siya baliktad. And that's why there's so much heat around VUL plan because a lot of financial advisors position it wrong. So I want to express it now that it's really insurance first, then investments after. So kung naay milk tea, kuan ang investments, ang add-on sa investment. So how does a VUL work? So you guys can the reason I want you guys to take notes is because kamo ang mo explain next week what is the difference of CHAD and VUL so that we can refresh on what you've understood. So VUL, if you want a VUL, it could be an insurance-inclined plan or investment-inclined plan. What do we mean by that? Remember that sa VUL, it was guaranteed benefit and fund value. If you have a client who prefers nga more of insurance, then expect that the investment growth nila mas ubos. Why? Because of charges. The more benefits, the more insurance charges. Okay, so their investment side, minimal lang. Pa-thumbs up lang if you guys are still following kasi I don't really see Manggod sa anak while nag-share screen. Okay. Miss Elaine and Miss Iris, are you still there? Okay, sige, go. So, again, you cannot expect an exponential growth in fund value due to the cost of health riders included in the VUL plan. Client shall also be paying longer if more benefits. Again, fund-inclined naman na plan. So, let's just say, I think si Miss Elaine, we did this for her child. Pag fund-inclined naman ng plan, you would just put a minimal guaranteed benefit. So, no health riders, no health benefits. Life lang yun. Life benefit ra. Life coverage yun. No health. So, your fund value will grow even more. So, it could be for education, retirement, for people na who wants to look for something to grow their money nga na ay insurance. So, pwede na siya. So, if client opts for a fund-inclined plan, like educational plans, the best way to create this is, do not put any health riders because it will impact the fund value. Para, it would also maximize its growth. So, if you guys can screenshot this is how a fund-inclined and insurance-inclined look like. Sa fund-inclined, kung gusto sila, mas taas ang fund value, ubos gyud ang guaranteed benefit. But if ganahan sila insurance-inclined, mas ganahan sila sa benefits ra gyud, guaranteed benefits here, but the fund value will be lower. So, kana siya. So, types of VUL plan. So, we're in the last na yun last part na ta. Types of VUL plan, we have what we call regular premium. So, they pay for the insurance coverage at the regular time for the entire policy tenure. Meaning, magsige sila bayad. Mura yun na. Mura yung context clues, ana, is magsigig bayad sa plan until mahuman. Ayun. Single premium life policy is kanang kausa lang mo bayad sa plan. So, this could be, for example, kung naamoy mga clients nga daghan og mga time deposits, money nag-urong sa bangko, and this is usually mga seniors. And they want at least a minimal life insurance, mga like naa sila 250,000, can be nya usa lang kabagsak. Pwede na siya. That is what we call single premium. So, quick product overview. So, these are the sample products overview. I'm not gonna discuss all. I'm just gonna discuss certain samples. Okay? So, here naman, this is one of Sun Life's top products. It's Sun MaxiLink Bright. This is only 5 years to pay. So, the goal of April May, she's 50 years old. So, her goal was to have funds when she retires. Unya, mo retire naman siya by 57 years old, so that's why we did 5 years. Kung kaya naman niya na 10 years, it's another plan but similar concept. So, at 50, mo na nga, again, what did I say? There's no health riders. You don't see critical illness. You don't see any health riders here. So, mo na siya nga, kana lang siya. 180,000 ang iyahang premium. Okay? So far guys, any questions, clarifications? Don't hesitate, mas ganahan ko nga namoy questions pa sige naglibog mo ing ana. So this is one of the VUL plans. Again, what's the guaranteed benefit? 1 million. Where's the fund value? Again, automatically the payments will be invested whether she chooses global stocks, bonds, or bonds only or stocks only. Automatic na siya nga portion ani bayran dito, ibutang dito sa investment. In fact, ni PM pa ni siya recently nga moadto kuno siya i-treat niya yung parents to Canada na siya kwaon nga around 60,000. So this was actually 3 years ago naman. Ayun. So, how about a sample of someone nga ganahan kay insurance inclined? The bonggang-bonggang benefits na to. So, she told me nga she has a budget of 2.5. She's 25 years old. Ang ganyan siya insurance client, kay mama na siya, mo na siya. And, kani siya, what's the guaranteed benefit? 1 million. And also, other of the benefits. So, naa siya accident na 500,000, critical illness benefit na 500,000, and female critical illness 500,000. This is the most common na kuhaon na plan for across all across all advisors. Sorry, nabulol ko. Because it's the most affordable, and the most nga you can insert a lot of benefits. It's just that mas taas siya mag-pay. Because daghan kaayog insurance charges. So maybe naamoy ma-think nga prospect around that budget, 2.5, and you can provide this one, and at the same time, portion sa iyang bayad will also be invested. So naa siya pang funds, a little bit of funds during retirement. But remember, pag insurance inclined, dili kay dako, judge ka og expansion. Okay? So, maybe some of you are asking, sige Ma'am Che, na kay question? Okay. So for example, if mo ana nga, Marie, what if the budget is 5,000 per month? What will we do? Mura ning dublihon. 60,000. Kay 2.5 ba ni siya, di ba? 60,000. So what happens here? Her coverage becomes 2 billion. And then the rest, pwede siya ma 1 million diri, pwede siya ma 1 million diri. Ana ra, bigger budget, bigger coverage. Let's just say lower budget madi. What if 1.5 lang yun iya budget? Like she wants everything. Lower ani siya. So we'll just reduce this. We can reduce this to 700,000. This one to 50,000. And then kani to 50,000. Okay ba? So, pwede ra gyud 1.5. Let's just say, Marie, what if 1,000 lang gyud? It's another plan, but the same concept. So, naara gyud tay 1,000 per month. Saro naman ito mga kailano, 1,000 per month nga. Mamalitay man gani sa Shopee, halos every month. Mag-Starbucks, sige. Nila yun, di ba? Mga pay, di ba? Can you imagine that 30,000 per year is actually just 100 pesos a day? So that's how you can help them, no? So so what are the advantages? I'm gonna almost end na. Advantages, disadvantages. Again, VUL flexibility of payments. It does not easily lapse. So for example, imong client wala naka-pay on time. After the 30 days grace period, wa pagyapon siya nakapay, di siya mo lapse, basta lang, that the investment side is still there. Again, advantage is the opportunity to participate in the stock market. you can ask your clients, oy, maybe you would want to have a coverage, an insurance coverage. At the same time, you would be exposed to investing in Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta. And it's also relatively cheaper good compared to whole life plans. Disadvantage. Disadvantage, wala ni siya discount kung mag-annual. Unlike traditional plans nga na ay discount. Disadvantage naman. Advisors manggod would take advantage to adding so many riders just to qualify for bonuses. Hala. Because, especially if ang gusto naman ni client is fun and inclined, tapos butangan yun ni mo rider. Not necessary. Okay? The client will still pay even after 10 years or when the fund value cannot suffice. So, I want you guys to, you can take a picture of this because that's just the basics of traditional plan and VOL plan. So, ayun. So, don't worry, no? I'll give you guys a copy of the slides on this recording. Again. So again, in conclusion, there is no one better than the other. It really depends in the client. So every time you guys will tell me nga, lahi-lahi ni duol ninyo, tapos mukuha na. Unsa man na plan? I can't really tell because I don't even know what's the needs of your client. Okay? So, just to share with you, if you're, I'm ending na, so bring a friend to the team, and also we will be reimbursing your coding fees. Once you do get coded, your first 90 days, if you're going to, um, if you're going to hit, no, katong goal na to in the first 90 days, na first 45,000 AC, again, you will be able to join our paid training by my mentor. It's actually almost 3,000. We'll give it to you for free. If you're going to hit your first 45,000 in the next 90 days upon coding. So, ayun guys, ang assignment lang nako is again, continue approaching with your survey technique. Let's do it at least 20 people, no, nga ma-approach ninyo. Tapos, by next week, same time lang gihapon ta, it's still 9:30, and we will dive deep more on how to provide advice to our clients. So, ayun. So, let's just end this with your biggest learning today. Let's go, Ares.
My biggest learning is yung VOL at saka yung traditional. Because, yeah, I learned a lot. Kasi, wala pa kasi kung naka-exam. So, yeah, I think it's my advantage na naka-learn ako about Annie. So, wala siya.
Yan. Thank you, Ares. Go, Miss Elaine. Biggest learning for today?
Hello, sorry na late ko kay I was with my work pa. Biggest learning with the one you shared, Miss Marie, tax code 32B.
Ansa?
All
Sorry?
tax code 32B.
Mhm.
Ako just take note. All insurance doesn't have any tax.
Ayan. Sige. Parang tumatak talaga pag tax codes, no? Sige, Miss
Yeah,
Elaine.
that's
Sige.
it.
Ikaw, Ate Carl, biggest learning for today?
Number one, same ni Miss Elaine katong tax code mo dahil ning daghan kaayo mo invest no because of kanang no tax sa ilaha. Syempre every sweldo magkaltas baya gyud og tax. So why not the extra of our sweldo we put it into an investment and it's for tax free. And then different types of plans na mas affordable. I didn't know about the part for katong mga gagmay lang nga budget such as 1,000, 1,500. I didn't know nga inaana ka baba kay Sun Life because other plans, especially AXA, katong i-share before na we had a term plan for my husband and it would cost around 2,500 and then I cannot convert it to any other plan. So good thing for Sun Life, they have lower plans na we can definitely share to our clients na makainganyo nila to join and at least invest kay variable plan naman siya. So at least dili lang siya for traditional but also for VUL.
Yun. Thank you, Ate Carl. Ayun. Ma'am Cha. Ay, nakamute ka.
One, ma'am, ako ang na-learn, ma'am, isang traditional plan is na siya guaranteed benefit, which is katong sa insurance component niya. Dayon, lunable siya. And po siya dividends. Whereas ang full plan di ay is i-prioritize jud or ang atong kuno sa insurance una kanya ang investment. Dayon, isa ko nakuha, dili siya lunable sa.
Pwede ka mo partially withdraw.
Okay.
Si Miss Elaine
Pag
naka-experience na
napag-total
yata. You can partially still withdraw. Wala siya interest lang siya. Wala siya interest. Mura gyud siya. So if you put like the context of VUL, it's like a piggy bank but you're covered with so many benefits. So imagine ha, 2.5 ra bayad gibayad pero if anything happens to her the next day, it's Sun Life's gonna give you 1 million right away. Diba? So there's no other product that does that. Even if mo ingon imong client na, ay invest na lang ko sa gold kay sige saka. I mean, di ba na mo saka the next day dayon, di ba? No. So we can never compare jud mga investment products with insurance because they have two different needs. They address two different problems, no? So yeah, pwede na siya ing ana. So continue naghapon sa iyong survey technique. Ares, I'm going to include you lang sa GC para you'd also be seeing this. Guys, i-separate ta mo nga GC para di na
Thank you.
libog kung kay katong sa GC kay Eda kasagol na magud tanan. But for those who have pending requirements, please let's comply it na. So ayun lang. Let's take a picture. Tiel and Miss Elaine, makaya ba to open cam? Ayun, sige go.
I have a problem with my camera. This is on ganina pa.
Sige, go. Sige,
Oh,
1, 2.
Lock lang siya.
Sige, go. 1, 2, 3, smile. Yun, continue the survey technique, guys, and then we'll see kung kinsay naka-appointment. So, goal nyo is to at least have 2 appointments na maset from the survey technique. So, balikan ta mo. At saka, kung may dalawang maset appointment, sige, may price daw from your UM. Tama ba, Tiel?
Ay, Ma'am Ses, katubang gingon ni Ma'am D nga
Starbucks.
sa to access.
Sige. Later na lang, Ma'am Che. I have to end this call. Mag-chatty ko.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, everyone. God bless.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Bye. Have a happy
Bye.
weekend.
Bye.